Today we're gonna cook veggie risotto. We will need salt, zucchini, onion, tomato, green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, rice, paprika, stock, and olive oil. The first thing we need to do is to cut all the vegetables into small pieces, the zucchini, the onion, and the pepper, like this. When the vegetables are ready, we put a bit of olive oil in a pan, and now we add the onion. We have to wait 2 minutes. Then we add the pepper and the zucchini. And we have to mix everything and wait 10 minutes. It's very important to include also the salt. After 10 minutes, we add the tomato and we wait 7 more minutes. After 7 minutes, we add a big spoon of paprika, and also the rice, and we mix everything. Keep moving because you need to mix all the ingredients, and when you have all the ingredients mixed, you need to add the stock. You will add almost a full glass of stock, and you have to wait 10 minutes. If after 10 minutes the rice is hard, you need to add more stock and wait another 10 minutes. The rice is ready. It's time to eat. Now, let's try how it tastes.